I've had the Avata pretty much since it first came out. Love flying it, and up till now I've been flying it with the motion controller too, and it's great fun. I love it. It makes a change from flying with the normal controllers on the other drones. I said I would never ever learn how to do FPV because I'm just not interested. But I've gone out and I've bought the remote controller too, and I've decided that this winter, with this horrible weather at the moment, okay, the sun's out right now, but it's absolutely freezing out there, I'm going to see if I can teach myself how to fly manually. So I've got the virtual assistant running, so this is my very first attempt, so let's have a go. So I spent a few hours practicing on the liftoff simulator. How many hours altogether I don't know, probably about 10 hours I would think over the last couple of months. So I decided that I really need to take the drone out and see if flying the drone for real in manual is the same as flying it on the sim. So yesterday I took it out and had a fly in manual just to see how I'd get on. It actually worked out alright. I was quite happy with the way it flew. I've obviously got to look at different things like the settings for the rates. I've got a few errors on the screen which I'm going to try and clear, but all in all I was quite happy, and I wouldn't have been able to have done that a couple of months ago just straight off without practicing on the simulator. I didn't crash, that's always a plus, and we all came back in one piece. So that's the end of part one. I'm going to do some more practicing, some more flying for real, and then I'll put a video together about part two. See you later, thanks for watching.